In general, it works, but you are mixing reactive paradigms to just read and update a simple value. Well, next up, mistake number 2, and that is using complex state management for simple state changes. And I see this all the time. If you need to share something simple across different components using a service, well, the old way is just to use a behavior subject, which means in general, you just create a particular service, create a private variable in there, which is a behavior subject, which holds the value as well. Then you create a public variable, which is read only, and you use asObservable. And then a component basically uses this particular observable using the async pipe. Now, whenever the theme needs to change, it needs to call this particular function of the service, which uses the next function, which updates the behavior subject, in turn updates this read-only variable, which in turn goes through the async pipe and then updates the template or the UI. In general, it works, but you are mixing reactive paradigms to just read and update a simple value. Now, contrast that with the signal-based approach here. In this case, in your service, you basically create a new signal. And that's it. The signal basically holds the value itself. When it comes to reading, your components can directly use the signal using this function notation, and that means that there's no async pipe required, so you required less from the Angular core framework. And as a result, the code is much simpler, more readable, and plugs directly into the Angular's reactivity system.